The story of Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo was born on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, a small island off the coast of Portugal. He grew up in a working-class family, and his father, José Diniz Aveiro, worked as a gardener. His mother, Maria Dolores dos Santos Aveiro, worked as a cook. Cristiano was the youngest of 4 children, and from an early age, he showed a passion for football. His family wasn't rich, but they supported him in following his dreams. Ronaldo played football with his friends in the streets, and he was known for his speed, agility, and goal-scoring ability. His talent caught the attention of local coaches, and by the age of 8, he joined a youth football club called Andorinha. At the age of 12, Cristiano moved to the mainland of Portugal to join the prestigious Sporting Lisbon Academy. It was a difficult move because he had to leave his family and his hometown behind. But Cristiano was determined to make it as a professional football player. At Sporting, Ronaldo trained hard and developed his skills. He quickly made a name for himself as one of the best young talents in the academy. He was fast, powerful, and had a natural ability to score goals. By the time he was 16, Ronaldo was already playing for Sporting's first team. In 2003, at the age of 18, Cristiano Ronaldo received a huge opportunity to play for Manchester United, one of the top football clubs in the world. Ronaldo's big break came when he impressed Manchester United's legendary coach, Sir Alex Ferguson, in a friendly match between Sporting Lisbon and Manchester United. Ronaldo signed with Manchester United for a transfer fee of £12 million, making him one of the most expensive teenagers in football history at the time. At Manchester United, he quickly became a star. His skills on the ball, ability to score goals, and work ethic earned him praise from fans and teammates alike. During his time at Manchester United, Ronaldo won numerous trophies, including 3 Premier League titles and the 2008 UEFA Champions League. He also won his first Ballon d'Or, Best Football Player in the World, in 2008, which marked the beginning of his incredible career. In 2009, Cristiano Ronaldo made a big move to Real Madrid, one of the most famous football clubs in the world, for a record-breaking transfer fee of £80 million. This was a major step in Ronaldo's career, and it marked the beginning of his legendary years in Spain. At Real Madrid, Ronaldo became a superstar. He broke numerous records, including becoming the club's all-time top scorer. Ronaldo's incredible skills and goal-scoring abilities helped Real Madrid win numerous trophies, including 4 Champions League titles, and he earned 4 more Ballon d'Or awards. Ronaldo's time at Real Madrid was filled with success, but it was also filled with memorable moments. His fierce rivalry with Barcelona's Lionel Messi is one of the greatest in football history, and their battles for the Ballon d'Or became legendary. In 2018, Cristiano Ronaldo made another big move, this time to Juventus in Italy. At Juventus, Ronaldo continued to play at a high level, helping the team win Serie A titles and scoring more goals. His time at Juventus solidified his reputation as one of the best football players of all time. However, in 2021, after 3 years in Italy, Ronaldo returned to Manchester United for a second spell at the club. His return was met with excitement, and once again, he proved his ability to score goals and deliver in big matches. Ronaldo has also had a successful international career with the Portuguese national team. He has helped Portugal win major trophies, including the European Championship in 2016 and the Nations League in 2019. Ronaldo is the all-time top scorer for Portugal, and his leadership on the field has been crucial to the team's success. Off the pitch, Ronaldo is known for his business ventures, charitable work, and social media presence. He has built a personal brand that extends beyond football with his own line of clothing, a fragrance brand, and sponsorship deals with major companies like Nike. Cristiano Ronaldo's career is defined by his incredible physical abilities, unmatched work ethic, and determination to succeed. He is known for his speed, strength, and exceptional skills on the ball. But what sets him apart from many other players is his dedication to improving every day. Ronaldo is known for his intense training regimen and his commitment to staying in top physical condition. He has faced challenges throughout his career, but he has always overcome them with determination. Whether it's injuries, tough competition, or intense pressure, Ronaldo has consistently proven that he is one of the greatest football players of all time. Cristiano Ronaldo's legacy is one of greatness, hard work, and passion. He has set countless records, won numerous awards, and inspired millions of people around the world. Ronaldo has shown that with dedication and a relentless desire to improve, anyone can achieve their dreams. His career continues to inspire young footballers and sports fans everywhere. Cristiano Ronaldo is not just a football player. He is a symbol of excellence and the true meaning of hard work and perseverance.